If you've ever been fascinated by the mysterious world of wolves, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into wolf behavior, exploring the meaning behind their howls, pack dynamics, and even their hunting strategies. From their incredible communication skills to their strong social bonds, we'll help you understand what makes these magnificent predators so unique. Let's get started. At number 1, pack dynamics. Wolves live in packs with a complex social hierarchy, led by an alpha male and female. At number 2, communication. Wolves communicate through body language, vocalizations, howling, barking, and scent marking. At number 3, hunting behavior. Wolves are skilled hunters, using coordinated attacks to bring down prey. At number 4, territoriality. Wolves defend their territory from other packs and predators. At number 5, social bonding. Wolves form strong bonds within their pack, often showing affection and playfulness. At number 6, alpha leadership. The alpha pair leads the pack, making important decisions and guiding the group. At number 7, submission and dominance. Wolves establish dominance and submission roles within the pack. At number 8, pup rearing. Female wolves care for their pups, while the pack helps feed and protect them. At number 9, intelligence. Wolves are highly intelligent, adapting to new situations and solving problems. At number 10, loyalty. Wolves are loyal to their pack, often staying with their family group for life. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other goat enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to Natural Nurture for more tips on understanding and caring for your goats. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.